Before we dive into the top 3 cryptocurrencies you should consider buying right now, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto updates. Now, let's get started. First on our list is Ethereum, also known as the king of smart contracts. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap and has cemented its place as a leader in decentralized applications. One key reason why Ethereum is still a solid buy is the continuous upgrade of its network. The shift from proof of work to proof of stake, known as Ethereum 2.0, has made the network more energy efficient, and the lower transaction fees are a big attraction for investors and developers. Many DeFi projects, NFTs, and dApps run on Ethereum, making it the backbone of decentralized finance. With the increasing adoption of blockchain technologies, Ethereum has massive potential for long-term growth. If you're looking for a safe, well-established crypto with strong future prospects, Ethereum is your go-to option. Next up, we have Solana, often considered an Ethereum competitor. Solana has quickly become a favorite in the crypto space due to its speed and scalability. Solana is known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and extremely low fees, which makes it ideal for decentralized applications, NFTs, and gaming platforms. One of the standout features of Solana is its ability to handle thousands of transactions per second, something Ethereum still struggles with, despite its upgrades. Solana's growing ecosystem, with partnerships in DeFi, Web3, and NFTs, makes it a strong contender for investors who are looking for innovation and rapid development. Given its impressive technology and growing adoption, Solana could easily be one of the best buys right now for those seeking high potential with a slightly higher risk than Ethereum. Lastly, we have Chainlink. While it doesn't get the same level of attention as some of the bigger names, Chainlink is a crucial part of the blockchain ecosystem. It's the leading decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data. For example, if a smart contract needs to interact with weather data, financial markets, or any off-chain information, Chainlink makes it happen. Chainlink's technology is critical for a wide range of applications, from decentralized finance to supply chain management and even insurance. Its use case has been expanding rapidly, and as more industries adopt blockchain technology, the demand for Chainlink services will continue to rise. If you believe in the long-term potential of blockchain and smart contracts, Chainlink is a must-watch, offering solid growth prospects. So, there you have it, Ethereum, Solana, and Chainlink. 3 promising cryptos that could help take your portfolio to the next levels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest in crypto.